Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, we are going to be solving this Leetcode problem 26, remove duplicates from sorted array. Please ignore this likes and dislikes ratio. I guess it's because of the problem statement is too big for the likes of this problem. But essentially what this problem says is that we have to remove all the duplicates from an array given to us and return the length of the unique elements present in that array. So the brute force solution, what we can think about is putting every element into an hash map and returning the length of the hash map. That is one brute force solution we can think about. But in this problem, we have to do it in place with O of 1 extra memory. So we cannot use hash map or hash set. So how we can do this problem? Let's see. Let's first see how many unique elements are there in this array. The first element in the array of nums would always be the first unique element that we can see. Okay, so we need to start iterating from the index 1 of the array. Okay, from the second element of the array. So what we can do is have a left pointer and a right pointer, both pointing at the same index 1, and what we can have is the right pointer iterating through the array one by one and the left pointer pointing at every unique element, at the position of the every unique element. Okay, so let's see through this example. Okay, first the left and right both are pointing at index 1, the value is whose value is 0. Okay, after one iteration, the right pointer is pointing at index 2 and the value is 1. So the left pointer is pointing at index 1. So the value at index 2 and the value at index 1 are not equal. So what we can do is put the value of the pointer the right pointer is pointing to into the value at the left pointer's pointer. Okay, left pointer's value. Okay, so what I meant to say is after this iteration, after one iteration, the array becomes 0 1 0 and 1. Okay, now we are incrementing also the left pointer by 1, so the left pointer is now pointing to 2 and the after iteration the right pointer is pointing to this one. Okay, both the values are equal, so we do not need to do any change. Again the right pointer would be pointing to, after another iteration the right pointer would be pointing to this one. Again the values are same with the left pointer and the right pointer, so we do not need to do any change. Okay, now now the right pointer points to 2, so now the value at the left pointer is pointing to and the right pointer pointing to are different. So 2 is another unique element. So what we need to do is change this left pointer, put the value of the right pointer to the left pointer's position. Okay, so now the array becomes 0 1 2. Like this we are solving the problem. For 3, again 3 is unique, so what we need to do is change the value the left pointer is pointing to 3. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 and then 4. Okay, like this we can solve this problem. Let's see the code now. Okay, the code is very simple. What we need to do is have a left pointer which would point to the second index. Okay, and we would have a for loop with the right pointer iterating through every element of the array. Okay, so right is less than nums dot length right plus plus. Now if the value the right pointer is pointing to is not equals to the previous value of the right pointer, right, -1, we are doing -1 here to avoid any overflow errors. Okay, to avoid any overflow errors. Now if the values are not same, what we need to do is change the value at left to the unique element at right. Okay, because the value at right is unique, so what we are doing is putting it into the position the left pointer is pointing to and incrementing left pointer by 1. Okay, at last we are returning the last index of the last index the left pointer is pointing to. If we now run the code, okay, it runs. Let's submit. Okay, it submits and the runtime is 84.81% faster. So that's it for the solution. I hope you get it. If you don't get it, just go through the code and write run the code for once. You will get it for sure. Okay, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And that's all for now. I will see you in the next video. Bye.